Hello, my friends. When we met on Wednesday, I neglected to mention that one of your assignments, which is due Friday at midnight, is to complete a Muddiest Points Wiki. So let me explain what that is. So first of all, let's go to week 3 and let's actually pull up the module. So if you scroll down, well, before I scroll down, notice that there's quite a few screencasts that need to be completed for Monday, February 8th. That's a generous amount of material. So I need sort of an indication of what you understand and what concepts are a little more challenging so that I know where to spend our time during the live session on Monday. And I get that through the Muddiest Points Wiki. So if you'll, we're in the week 3 module. If you'll continue to scroll down, you'll find the Muddiest Points Wiki down here. Let's click on that. And then you'll see here all the learning objectives. And what I need you to do is to pick the 2 learning objectives that you're finding the hardest to understand. That is your 2 muddiest points. Now you normally would have an edit page button up here, but I don't have it because I'm the instructor, so I'm going to change to edit mode, and you'll see your little button will be right here. Do not create a new page. Just click Edit Wiki Content, and then let's assume that I'm the student and I've completed all of these screencasts, and I noted maybe there are several muddy points, but the ones I'm having the hardest understanding maybe is the difference is osmosis. So what I want to do is I want to put my first initial and then my last name, because I really had a hard time understanding osmosis, how it related to a cell membrane. And I want to make sure I change the color to something that contrasts with the white background. So I'm going to change it to red, and I'm going to bold it. So that was one of my muddiest points. And let's say understanding how DNA is organized in a dividing cell and a non-dividing cell. That was also a muddiest point of mine. Those are my 2 muddiest points. Where was that? Now I've lost my place. Let's assume it was comparing a totipotent, pluripotent, and multipotent stem cells. All right, and so those are my 2 muddiest points. And so what will happen after the entire class does this, what I typically see is a clustering of names around certain learning objectives, and there'll be other learning objectives that no one had a hard time with. And so this allows me to custom our live session to address the questions that students are having the hardest time understanding. I should say the learning objectives students are having the hardest time understanding. So just hit submit after you're done. All right, and that's an easy 2 points for literally 2-3 minutes of your time. Now, just to be clear where you get to that Muddiest Points Wiki, week 3 module, scroll to the bottom, there it is. There's also another way you can get to the wiki, because it is due Friday the 5th at midnight. I also have it in the Friday the 5th folder. Okay, so I apologize, I did not mention this in class. I had forgotten about it, honestly, until a student asked, hey, where is that wiki? I see it's on the module. The student was going through the module as they should have, and they noticed, hey, I don't see this wiki. And they emailed me, and I was able to address this. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. See you online and in our live session.